Yo, what's going on, Sneak Geeks? Welcome back to another video, man. Hibbett blessed me for the one time, bro. Whew. I am honestly just geeked about the sneaker. I feel like at every point, let's see where my knife is at. Once upon a time, or just at any point in the sneaker game, everybody looks to the Air Mag. You know, the Nike Air Mag off of Back to the Future, especially if you're like a 90s baby, right? Back to the Future was just phenomenal. Seeing Marty McFly, you know, lace them up and they just automatically lace. The fact that in 2020, which obviously ironic in 2020 or whatever was the date in the film, just having self-lacing sneakers this was the time to have it, right? So to be able to get these, number one, is phenomenal. You guys, I believe if they didn't sell out on Hibbett, which yeah, it looks like they still have a few sizes left. Retail on these is $400. I'm gonna do a full in-depth review, but I honestly just wanted to capture like my first thoughts. Like, this is an awesome box. Again, huge thank you to Hibbett, man. Y'all, thank you, honestly. I'm extremely grateful. Words can't even describe like how grateful I am, right? So yeah, if you guys want to go give them a follow on Instagram, they got all the releases, so don't sleep on them. I think a lot of people are asleep on Hibbett. Let's check this out. Look at that box. Bro, I'm like a little kid in a candy store. This is what I'm talking about. This is exciting. I feel like Cousteau right now, man. You know how Cousteau be opening like just fire packages from like different brands? This is always exciting, especially as a content creator. All right. Hey man, at least we know the box is in good shape, so. Now, on the sneakers app, they kind of did like behind the scenes of, or I guess you could say behind the design as far as why this was created, what the inspiration was that they took away from this. And they did draw away a lot of Air Max. Gosh, I can't talk right now. They did take a lot of inspiration from the Air Max. So that's where it just is super exciting. Bro, this box is ridiculous. Now, if you have seen a pair of Air Mags in person, I saw like the new ones that were like $100,000 at Blitz. Huge shout out to Dre for the one time. But it has this super cool box, right? And then you tip them, boom. Like, who knew this would be, even at $400, I know some people might be like, oh man, that's a lot of money. But just for the average consumer to be able to get something like this versus, you know, having to donate to a charity or buy into a charity for 10, 20, 30, $100,000, this is cool. It gives us an opportunity to just really try this out. I feel like I'm gonna be like 6'9" with these on, cause look how insane that sole is. But yo, totally looks exactly like the Air Mags. Dude, these are fire. And then it seems like you have like an elastic material. Kind of reminds me a lot of like my Prestos, which, I mean, it really does look a lot like the Prestos. You know, you got the plastic toe cap, or whatever this is, like a rubberized plastic. Shoot, these are ridiculous, man. Is this just for decoration, or what do we got in here? Auto Max. Oh, bro. Like, this is presentation. So this must be how you charge the shoes right here. No, I don't know what is in these boxes or what. I don't know much about these shoes, right? I don't know what this is, which I'll let you guys know during the review. I got to do some research on these. I was just super excited to get these in. Because, I mean, even just they're drawing inspiration from the original Air Max, which is just fire. That infrared is ridiculous. These look good. But I'm just like, really, this air bubble on this shoe is crazy. But they're dope, right? I mean, Bro, how? I don't got a ruler around here. This is ridiculous. It's like a high heel. That's cool. And then, okay, so this is another insane thing to me, is just like how it has the dock that you can, it's like wireless charging. Like, what? You just set these bad boys on there and they charge, bro? What? Like sneakers, and this is an iPhone? This is, what? This is dope. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna give you guys a full in-depth review, but man, sheesh, this is like a collector item box and everything. Like, dude, I don't even want to set it on the floor, you feel me? Like, sheesh. These are a vibe. Let's see if we can turn them on real quick. Oh, okay, so it's charged. So this, I believe you can actually loosen and tighten it from your Apple Watch. I think I need maybe an app or something like that. I don't know. I'll tell you guys for the review. I'm just talking about what I've seen, but what? Beep, beep, beep. Loosening them, tightening them. Bro, what? This is crazy. This is crazy. Like, where do you wear these to? I swear, these pull up in the grocery store, like, yo, what up? Peep my Air Maxes. Let me put them on. Now, this is actually my first time trying this whole like lace technology. I know you guys can't see. Oh, ooh wee! I didn't even touch nothing and it just laced up itself. Bro, on God, I'm like 6'9" with these things on. I just put them on and they laced up. What the? What? Bro! You just put them on and they lace up. This is just like the movie, dude. What? Hold up, let me give you up. Ah. Yeah, you feel me? This is a fit, dude. With the yellow and the infrared. Oh, jeez. Bro, you put your foot in them and they lace up. Honestly, as like a Back to the Future fan and just a Nike fan and a sneaker fan, whatever, this is fire. Let me see how tall I am. Oh yeah, I'm like 6'8", bro. What's up? Yo, do they all do this? You just put them on? This is crazy. Dude, what the heck? Put them on, step. What? This is crazy. All right, man. Well, I'm gonna keep messing around with these. This is lit. Like, this is what we're coming down to. You just put a shoe on and it laces up for you. Shoot.
It's 11 o'clock.
This is exciting. This is truly exciting. Wow, what a wave, man. This is cool. But there you guys have it, man. That is the Auto Adapt or Air Max. Sheesh, huge thank you to Hibbit. You guys, I mean, you clearly see my reaction. I'm just shocked. Like, let me just put them on one more time for you. You just, you know, I'm just going about my day. Okay, get on there. Put my foot down. Hold up. It's not auto lacing. It's not doing it right now, but it does it. This is your boy ASneakerLife. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, make sure to check out Hibbit. Man, even if you're a real OG fan, go to Hibbit and be like, yo, thank you for blessing Mike the Compass. Just to know, like, thank you. But I'll catch you on the next one. Run it.